At the edge of dawn, millions of wings awaken to collect the world's oldest treasure, light turned into sweetness.
They travel miles to bring it home to Hive, a golden thread between earth and sky.
Each tiny collector gathers droplets of sugar born from flowers and thyme.
Within these hexagons, raw nectar transforms coned, engineered by instinct, perfected by unity.
Nature's factory needs no blueprint, every worker born knowing her role.
Now, human hands approach, partners, not masters, of this golden labor.
Smoke calms the colony, reminding them the harvest is near.
The first stage ends, natural's craft collected, ready for the hands of industry.
Even trapped air is removed silent. Perfection measured. A cathedral of steel and light, built to replicate the genius of bees.
Each frame, a map of effort, a foundry, thousands of journeys sealed behind wax.
Here stands the world's largest honey facility, where nature meets precision.
Centrifugal power frees every drop toned, harnessing physics to echo the hive.
Dozens of reservoirs hold different floral origins: clover, acacia, wild forest, each glowing in its own hue.
An ocean of amber light played.
Every frame tracked, scanned, and sanitized before the transformation begins.
When the last cell is sealed, the alchemy is complete. Nectar reborn as honey.
Layer after layer, impurities fall away, until only liquid clarity remains. Precision choreography down it, metal fingers sealing freshness for the world. Temperature dances at 40 degrees, warm enough to flow, cool enough to stay alive. From remote fields to mega factories, the journey of purity begins.
Mechanical grace replaces muscle. Efficiency bore from design. Artificial intelligence adjusts viscosity in real time, balancing nature with numbers.
Molten gold pours in steady rhythm. Mara, a river born from thousands of wings.
Purity achieved, the journey moves forward, fractally, from flow to form.
No bees inside, only machines that mimic their perfection.
A gentle stir unites flavor, color, and density, one identity born from many blossoms.
Behind the glass, algorithms watch tirelessly Toven, guardians of golden consistency.
At 600 jars per minute, the rhythm of technology outpaces even the hive itself.
Steel arms rise and pivot, constructing golden towers of supply.
Through spirals of steel, heat escapes NAND, texture returning to natural silk. Light becomes inspector, reading molecular fingerprints of every batch. Every vessel cleansed with precision W, waiting to cradle nature's masterpiece. Inside these crystal arteries, every drop travels under watch ward, untouched by air, guided only by precision.
Even the leftovers are precious. Wax reborn for new purpose.
Identity becomes data of work. Every jar traceable from hive to home. Inside the invisible paths, inspection bots confirm no residue, no imperfection. From extraction to refinement flight,
The journey of purity moves deeper into technology.
Optical sensors read light itself to judge the purity no human eye could see.
Temperature and time held in balance. Preservation through precision. Where bees once sealed, lasers now uncapturing, unlocking liquid sunlight.
Here, science ensures safety, confirming that nature's gift carries no harm. Yet, among all machines, human eyes remain Perfilev, the last guardians of trust.
A thin veil of protection, strength in transparency.
From land to sea, Pinot, sweetness, now becomes global currency. Artificial intelligence keeps count. Nothing lost, nothing wasted. Gravity paints art. Liquid amber cascading in flawless rhythm.
Robotic rhythm replaces repetition, speed without chaos. Identity applied, authenticity ensured, a promise etched in gold.
Driverless fleets move in harmony. Opry, the choreography of logistics. Too much water invites decay. Too little loses aroma. Precision keeps balance eternal.
Imperfection is eliminated in milliseconds privates. Human oversight backed by machine precision.
Every jar passes the light test. Clarity must rival crystal, or it never leave the line. Automation replaces repetition. Ensuring every jar will taste exactly as promised.
Each batch signed off, each signature an oath of honesty.
From hive to high-rise person, nature's creation now lives among glass and neon. Across oceans, sunlight travels in sealed glass, a taste of summer carried to winter shores.
Outside, engines idle, steel giants waiting to carry nature's treasure. Each destination logged, each journey mapped, sweetness scheduled for the world. Convoys roll toward ports and cities culling, the golden thread stretching worldwide. Infrared eyes confirm the seal tigel, freshness locked by invisible heat. Automation extends to every shelf, ensuring the same gold arrives intact. Each seal digital, traceable, incorruptible, purity protected beyond borders.
Even at borders, scrutiny continues. Purity has no passport.
At last, the journey ends. Flavor that began in a flower now sweetens a morning table. From natural's hive to human comfort stillness, gold dissolving into warmth.
As the world sleeps, the hive of steel resets, ready to serve another dawn.
Precision never rests. Tomorrow's perfection begins tonight.
Above the steel, the cycle renews Ellie. Energy from the same sun that feed the flowers. The same sun that feeds the blossoms now powers the machines that honor them.
Every drop reused, every resource returned. Sustainability built into steel.
For every drop produced, new hives rise, giving back to the species that began it all.
Even the remnants of the hive find purpose, reborn as candles, polish, and light.
Here, science studies flight and resilience, decoding nature's own engineering.
Technology learns from the bee, designing helpers, not replacements.
The story of sweetness now teaches the next generation awe turned into understanding.
From family farms to megasystems, partnership sustains progress.
Nature's gold returns to the people. Global industry feeding local lives.
Beyond the walls of steel, the living behind the automation, humanity endures prawned. Every name part of the hive.
The cycle begins again, fun-fused, one wing beat at a time.
Numbers that whisper progress man. Proof that industry and ecology can share the same rhythm.
Progress observed in silence to tell. Gratitude mirrored in golden light. In one ripple, the essence of harmony. Nature and machine moving as one.
A promise sealed owns, purity preserved, integrity delivered.
Every shade tells a story on, of flowers, of time, of countless unseen wings.
From the smallest creature to the grandest creation, this is humanity learning from nature.
Nature's gold, where sunlight becomes flavor and harmony becomes legacy.